up Chelsea for life. A massive congratulations to Aston Villa on winning Europa Cup yesterday. They beat these people 3-0. 2-0 first half, and they second another one goal second half to lift after almost 44 years. They have not won major trophies. So, a very big congratulations to them. You see it. Now, Crystal Palace is going to play final in the Conference League. So, I hope they are going to win that game. Now, Arsenal versus PSG. I wish that Arsenal will win that game so that all the major European trophies will come to England. So that if we, that supporting England club, will be bragging that England Premier League is the best league in the world, then we see the reason for that. So you understand? A very massive congratulations to them. Aston Villa have done their own. Let's wait for Crystal Palace and Arsenal. I want to know what you think in comment section about this. Do you want all the major trophy to come to England this season?